here in Memphis, we're resilient. And as I look out into the audience, I know that you all represent Memphis well. We have to be self-aware enough to know, hey, I need to do something to strengthen and help my mental health, because our mental and physical health are interconnected.
Mental wellness is important to our community. So therefore, for us to have an event that's like this, it allows our children to know that they're not by themselves.
This event was very impactful. It was very motivational.
Behavior is contagious. You now encourage that person to do the right thing.
Words have power, and that's why I want you all always to speak life and positivity into yourself. You have to be the change. Let me hear you say this. I am greatness. Yes, you are.